When you try your best,
Trying to
but
save a
you
lady,
don't
trapped inside.
succeed.
We'll see how
When
it
you
goes,
get
man.
what you want,
Hopefully we
not
get to her. We
what
can hear her
you
behind the walls when we're
need.
digging her out.
Unbelievable.
Mucha frustración en mí mismo, no saber qué hacer, cómo poder ayudar a la comunidad que está.
So, just in case you don't watch two-part videos, I'm going to give you a summary of my two-parter from earlier today. Long story short, looks like John McAfee had 31 terabytes of information that he hacked from the government after he donated laptops to White House secretaries. This is after the U.S. government fucked with him and was messing with him, pissed him off. He then suicided himself, we'll put it that way, on Wednesday. The day after, there was the building collapse in Miami. Miami building address was 8777 Collins Avenue in Miami, and basically McAfee had posted on June 8th of this year something to do with the effect of, you know, hey, I'm doing good in here, don't plan on killing myself. If I come up dead, I got 31 terabytes of information. It's at a condo, and that condo is at 88th and Collins Avenue, just north of Miami. So very strange coincidence. I've heard today reports of maybe the condos is his son's. I was going to say his brother, but I think it's his son. And I don't know. So if any of you have any information, let me know. Because shit is getting crazy. Just pause it. So let me know what you think. Do you think the government's capable of being complicit in such, I mean, there's so many implications that would be involved. I forgot to mention, though, what originally weirded me out about it before I found out and made the John McAfee connection was the fact that Joe Biden was meeting with the mayor and the U.S. representative from that district the day before in the White House. Considering that Vice President George H.W. Bush met with John Hinckley's brother the day before he tried to assassinate President Reagan, and the fact that Cheney or Bush, I can't remember which one, was meeting with one of the bin Ladens the morning of 9/11, and then they were flown after all the planes were grounded. They were the only ones that were flown out and allowed to fly. Our government is capable of this shit. Wake up, America, and let's do something about it.
Now, the same guy that's telling you guys not to believe that that was a real tweet is promoting vaccines, and that's all you need to know about that guy. Now, I don't believe that somebody as smart as John McAfee will tweet the exact location of where he has hidden files. But you can't deny the fact that that tweet was made and then that building was destroyed. Because this just happened, you really have to wait until the dust settles before you can really see what's happening and what's going on. However, John McAfee allegedly making that tweet and that building falling, you have to see that there's a connection. I would say don't fully believe it yet, but just be aware of what's happening. Also be well aware that Twitter can censor and delete anything. Look at what they did to Trump. Don't get distracted. Stay tuned. Peace.